Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you the amazing minimalist bullet journal inserts that have been helping me declutter my mind, organize my thoughts, and increase my productivity. For more info on why I began bullet journaling, as well as full reviews of both planners featured in this video, you can check out exclusive links to those unlisted videos in the description box below. Okay, so I'll admit, when I discovered bullet journaling, I was immediately captivated by all the bullet journal inspiration that I saw on YouTube and Pinterest and Instagram. But to be honest, knowing full well that I am not that skilled in art as far as drawing, and being that I'm more of a graphic design person and I have no skill whatsoever in calligraphy, the idea of creating similar setups of my own really became not so fun and kind of intimidating. I really didn't want that to allow me to procrastinate and prolong my bullet journal experience, so I went ahead and made some 5mm dotted grid paper, which I also made free printables of on my website, naturallyeverafter.com. You can go ahead and of course check out the link in the description box below. So at first, just using the paper alone was very easy. If you guys haven't tried it yet, I definitely recommend just going ahead at it. So free writing became very easily. I was easily able to manage my finances, and ultimately I accidentally created a monthly expenses template that I use and will be using moving forward. I've also of course created a free template for you guys, also available on my website. Once I put out my monthly expenses out and I got everything out on paper, I was motivated to move forward and start organizing even more of my thoughts. I started doing some searching and I came across a ton of productivity planners. After digging through all the details of each one and the reviews, I ultimately settled on what I'm showing you today as my favorite, which is the Luxe Productivity Planner. I love the Luxe Productivity Planner because it's a tool highly focused on personal development, and it aligns perfectly with my lifestyle as well as the content I create. In the 6-month refill pack, you'll receive 9 inserts as well as a set of instructions to tell you how to use those inserts. So the first insert that I found most useful was the daily planner insert. I really like this insert because it helped me take my to-do list and prioritize it, from my most critical tasks to other tasks that I may have wanted to complete this day, however can afford to be moved to a next day, while also just allowing me to get out all the small tasks that I just want to do in general on the other side, which is just a blank 5mm dotted grid paper. I like this section for today's wins because it helps you celebrate the little things that happen in your day. It helps you practice gratitude. I definitely find myself using this section, especially on days that I may have looked at to be a little bit harder in the beginning and I overcame something, and it is kind of nice to just really celebrate that and note that, and to keep in memory for future reference. It also allows you to track progress towards your goals as well as your exercise and water intake. On the right side of the insert, you can see you're able to mark not only what day it is, but write out your whole day's schedule. As a whole, I hope to get so good at using this side of my paper that I'm able to create a template that I can apply on specific days and follow in the future. The next template that I thought was really awesome is a reflection on last week's template. This template allows you to record the biggest wins of the whole week. And again, it helps you to practice gratitude by listing the things that you're grateful for. I absolutely love how it also allows you to track your distractions as well as how to reduce them. Again, just allowing you to become more mindful of your habits. There's also a spot for self-improvement ideas as well as the goals for the week ahead. Below, you'll also see a time tracker as well as a habit tracker, a tracker for happiness, and a reward for hitting your goals. Again, all absolutely amazing tools and great things that help you stay on track throughout the week, throughout the month. And overall, I just really felt like this guidance was so needed and so helpful in my everyday planning and my weekly planning. Last but not least of my favorites, there's a long-term goals insert. Each of these inserts allows you to log 2 long-term goals, noting both the main goal as well as milestones. I also absolutely loved the plan and actual start date as well as the plan and actual completion date. Again, I just think these things are great tools. What I love about the setup of this insert is that it really allows you to get your goals out on a piece of paper and to become more intentional in setting dates to complete those goals, as well as helping make you more mindful of timing and showing you how long it took you to complete something versus how long you may have actually thought it would take you to complete it. Alright guys, so those are my 3 favorites, but as I said before, Luxe Productivity has tons of inserts, a total of 19 to be exact, all of which you can check out in the full review of the planner below. 3 of their inserts that I'm also looking forward to incorporating into my journal are the savings insert, the project planner, as well as the Pomodoro insert. You can purchase all mentioned products by going to Amazon and searching Luxe Productivity. There you'll find the 6-month refill pack, the Luxe Productivity Pro Planner itself, which also includes the extra inserts, which again can be found on their website at luxeproductivity.com. And I also like to mention on Amazon you can find the original Luxe Journal. Now the Luxe Journal includes all my favorite inserts. The only difference between it and the planner system that I use is that it is a binded book. So you don't have the option of switching the pages around. However, like I said, it includes all of my favorite inserts. I'm actually considering purchasing one of my own just to check it out and see how I like it. I haven't settled on it yet, but it is something I'm thinking about. It not only has all my favorite inserts, but it's cheaper and it comes in more of a variety of colors than the Luxe Pro Planner that I purchased and reviewed. Again, of course, all links are down below in the description box. I really hope this video was helpful and helps you start on your bullet journaling immediately. As I said, I was able to increase my productivity in just a week, and these planner inserts have really just helped me start to get everything down, organize everything, become less overwhelmed, and achieve more in a day. I really can't even express how transformational using these inserts has been in my life. I really hope that they can provide the same positive change for you as well. Thank you so much for hitting the play button. If you like this content and are looking forward to seeing more content like it, or just receiving updates on videos and having access to the exclusive links to unlisted videos as well, definitely hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.